Guys, if you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of seeing others get jobs while you're still searching, then stop right here. Because what I'm about to show you has already changed the future of 1,000 plus students, and it can change yours too. OHG 365 is a simple, powerful learning platform running for 4 years. More than 1,000 students from this platform are already working in top technologies. Students trained here work in SAP, Azure Data Engineering, Data Science, AI, Java Full Stack, Python Full Stack, Medical Coding, and many more areas. Most platforms only give videos, but OHG 365 gives training that actually builds your skill. They have their own tutorials, their own practice sections, and their own challenges. Here, you don't just learn, you practice, you build, and you become better every single day. And the best part, OHG gives AI-based mock interviews. The system asks you real interview questions, checks your answers, and gives feedback instantly. You understand every concept clearly, step by step. OHG 365 also tests your skill with levels: bronze, silver, and gold. Clear these levels and you grow from beginner to strong to professional. It builds your confidence like never before. If you want to become a full stack developer, Java or Python, OHG has a full services tree. They teach front-end, back-end, database, cloud, and AI, all in one path. Simple lessons to real projects to strong knowledge. You become a complete end-to-end engineer. OHG 365 is also connected with the Connect Here app. This app helps you track your progress, build your resume, and grow your career in the right direction. So if you're serious about your future, don't waste time. Start learning, start growing, and take your first step today with OHG 365.